Welcome to this new tutorial on demo content import of Markeet WooCommerce WordPress theme. For this, go to the Appearance, Theme. To add new theme, click on Upload Theme. And for choosing file, look for exact zip file of Markeet WooCommerce WordPress theme. Click on Install Now. It will take few seconds to be done. Now click on Activate and get a list of required plugins to begin installing plugins. And select all the plugins to install and click on Apply. While done, click on Return to Required Plugins Installer and again select all to activate, then apply. Now back to the dashboard, go to the Appearance, then import demo data. This is the interface. There are two types of import: manual import, auto import. And under this auto import, you can import all these demos. Click any one of it to continue and import content. Take few time to complete. Now click Visit Site to view. Markeet theme from Radius Themes Shopbuilder is a WooCommerce focused WordPress theme designed for e-commerce websites. It offers pre-built layouts, is fully responsive, and integrates seamlessly with WooCommerce for easy product management. This theme provides seamless drag and drop customization through Shopbuilder and ensures fast performance and multilingual support. It also offers sophisticated options for showcasing products effectively and perfect for creating professional online store with minimal effort. Thank you for watching.